Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vodka cocktail with lemon. Combine 2 Oz vodka, 1 Oz fresh lemon juice, and 0.75 Oz simple syrup in a shaker with ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the shaker feels cold. Double strain into a chilled glass and garnish with a lemon twist or wheel. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity, and enjoy a bright, refreshing cocktail made at home. Try small swaps to tailor the lemon vodka cocktail to your taste. Muddle basil or mint gently for herbal notes, or add 0.5 Oz elderflower liqueur for floral complexity. Swap simple syrup for honey syrup for a richer finish, or reduce sweetness by 25% for tartar drink. Use fresh lemon juice always, and chill your glass for a cleaner sip. These tweaks keep the core recipe familiar yet flexible and fun. Presentation elevates a simple lemon vodka cocktail into a memorable experience. Garnish with a lemon twist or candied peel for visual appeal and aroma. Serve on a small tray with complementary nibbles like almonds or olives so flavors mingle nicely. Offer a non-alcoholic option using soda and lemon for designated drivers. Keep glassware chilled and provide a small spoon or stirrer for guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.